Vijayadashmi and Dashera is being celebrated across the state of West Bengal. But this year, it's not about crowd, but also when Ravan would be killed by Ram. This year is absolutely different. The height of Ravan, that has always been 60 feet, has now been almost half this year, 30 feet. But also a very important message being given by Salt Lake Sanskriti Sansad, who have been organizing from past several years in Bengal. This year, Ravan will also be a message to the killing and the doing away with coronavirus. It has been a challenge forever, especially in past few months. And all that you see, the entire decor is also focused on the same. This year, it's not just about the message, but also the crowd that wouldn't be here. The entire celebration would be online with people watching it online, and also the normal crowd that used to be there ranging in 25 to 30,000 people physically attending the event wouldn't be here anymore. I have with me Shyam Beriwalji. You're heading this entire Sanskritik Sansad, but give us an idea on what is new about it this year and why.
The new about the program which we are organizing in Salt Lake Sanskriti Sansad, the Dasara Utsav, is that we are organizing very symbolic way. Generally, we have the 25,000 to 30,000 crowds all over the West Bengal is coming to our Dasara Utsav, organized by Salt Lake Sanskriti Sansad and Sanmarg. But this time, due to the pandemic situation all over the world, we are organizing in a very symbolic way, or only very few persons are coming, and everybody can see by YouTube, Facebook, online social media, and especially in our Aastak channel, which is #1 in the India.
But also understanding since a lot has changed, and Lakshman, you've been a COVID patient yourself. कैसे सोच रहे हैं आप, क्या बदलना चाहते हैं और क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं इस बार?
देखिए, संदेश ये है कि जैसे अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर और बाकी सब बोल रहे हैं कि 4 गज की दूरी और मास्क जरूरी, यही होना चाहिए। सैनिटाइज करते रहो, मास्क पहनो, 4 गज की दूरी मेंटेन करो। जैसे इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम में लिमिटेड आदमी को लोग ने बुला रखे हैं, 4 गज के हमारे ख्याल से तो 40 गज दूरी भी इसमें मेंटेन हो जाएगी। वैसे अगर प्रोग्राम सही ढंग से हो तो कोरोना जरूर से भारत भूमि से विदा ले लेगी।
Also a lot of challenges when you talk about the message that you would be sending across, and also the management of the entire event in these testing times. How has it been different, Sanjay ji?
ये हम लोग का एक प्रयास है कि सब नियमों को देखते हुए एक अच्छा भव्य प्रोग्राम हो सके, जो YouTube पे लाइव सब चैनल के, आपके चैनल के माध्यम से सब देख सके, और पूरा कोविड के नियम जो भी सरकार बोल रही है वो हम निभा सके, यही हमारा एक प्रयास है।
It's not just about efforts, but also following the guidelines, the COVID-19 guidelines during pandemic that have been a task, that have been a necessity to ensure that the evil in the name of corona is warded off easily and effortlessly soonest as possible. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwale in Kolkata for India Today.